Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn adding view to our MVC app. Let's begin. Let's see here. In this section, we have a modified. Earlier, we have a modified here like a index string we have changed and corrections are added. So hello world controller. What we have done here earlier, it would be like I action result and the index, and here it is a return view method. By default we have seen. Just remove this thing also. View method. So let it be the same original how the template once hello world controller is created. Great. Now what I am trying to doing, see, view templates are created using Razor and Razor based view templates. In this ASP.NET Core, Razor views and Razor based templates are going to be used here, and it's have a extension of .cs HTML file extension. This view form is having .cs .cs HTML is an extension for this file and provides elegant way to create HTML output with C# programming language. With C# means you may observe here, once you expand this CS, once we added a browser page, we have see how it would be. Currently index method returns like a string. This hello world controller index method is returning like a view by default, and how this index method will called that our view method we will see in extension of by adding of view form. Okay, let's see very simply we will see one by one how it could be happens with the view. See, very simply, by adding a view folder, by adding a views, see, in the project views folder is there. So right click on views folder, we'll do one thing this is the hello world controller, no? So we'll do one thing first. So we'll add a folder called add new folder, and we should name it hello world for testing, hello world. Okay, so in this folder I'm going to right click, add view. Here we can add view, or else we go with on hello world folder, go to add new item, choose for new item. Okay, this new item it is going to add new item. MVC movie is going to be representing here. It is in a dialog box, a new window which is open with the title of MVC movie. So how it is going to be taken a necessary next steps. See, in this dialog box, very simply Razor a view page we are going to be adding. So anyhow, what we will do in a simple text, in the right side search item is there, no? In the right side, upper right, enter. Very simply you just type view. Yes, you just type view, automatically the filter is applied here, and Razor view empty, and Razor layout, Razor view start, Razor view imports. These are the things are displaying here after the filter. So I'm selecting Razor view empty, and I'm going to giving a simple name for this index.cs, the default name only. Why? Because it's in a hello world under views, hello world directory or folder. It's not having any files, so let it be here at the index. Any folder may starting a single file may contain index.cs.html. Yeah, the same file name you would be placed razor view empty index.cs html. Just click on add. Just click on add. Very simply we have to click on add. Now see, the page by defaultly once I am added, it is opened here. So this is the code for index.cs.html. If you want to keep this code, yes you can, or else if you want to make it remove, yes you can remove it. Why? Because the stars and @ means it is in a comment line here. In this CS HTML file, it's in a comment file in razor page. So @ these flower braces, and here you can write the code. Here you can write. See, if it is on a pure razor component we are writing, we have to write inside this @ and curly braces. Inside we have to write the code for razor components. From directly we can access C# code here. Directly we can add C# code to the razor pages. If it is plain HTML, outside this curly braces we will write the plain HTML. How beauty it is. We are going to adding and manipulating the things from razor pages to adding C# code as well as plain HTML tags and elements. How beauty at single place. So let's see now how these things will happen. So inside the razor view data bag, also we call it as data bag. So here I am putting title and equal to index terminate. Any like a C# page you have to make it ends with the terminator semicolon. Okay, now I am taking plain HTML to presentation, like demonstrate you the things like index page. Anything you may write for title, no issue. And paragraph tag I am using here. So this is the paragraph tag. What I can write here: hello from our template added. Okay, hello from our view template added on hello world. On hello world. Save it. Now save it. Just see, I have what I have done here on hello world. I have replaced this custom to iAction result by default index on hello world controller and written view. Okay, under views I have added index.cs.html inside the hello world directory. Okay, now just run it and navigate hello world. Let's see what happens. Run it. Just I am pressing this green starting like without debugging, running the application. Now it's ready. Yes, it's loaded. Yes. Oh, I'm increasing this browser by pressing control and scrolling up, scroll down, scroll. Okay, yeah, it is visible. So this is the default template. By changing of this URL to navigation hello world, just click it. Wow, awesome. Index is a view bag. What we have added for the title, and hello from our view template added on hello world controller. Let's see the code here. Yeah, the side by side. I'll make it with a great reference to you. Yeah, see here. If I run navigating of a hello world controller action, yes. Wow, just a minute. Yes. So here you may cleanly observe the information which is coming from our view. Customly what we have added a view. Oh, yes. Yeah, this is the view bag. The view data title which is given index is presenting here. Index. Right. Now index, it is an I'm sorry, I'm really sorry for that. So this is the index. H2 is an index, it is coming. And hello from our view template add an hello, like this is the text we are presenting with the paragraph. If you want to make a more information to paragraph and my application is about to movie data. Just simply save it. If it is an HTML plain, you just simply save it and reload the page. Yeah, it's not reflecting. Save this and reload the page. Okay, then what do you do? Stop it, run it. Stop it and run it. Let's see, we will see the next paragraph also. We will see the next paragraph also in here at the page position of hello world. Just check it. My application is about to do MVC like movie data. How beauty it is. The view template is also using the view template, which is also using from here under views hello world and index.cs HTML from the controller, which is accepting like a written view by default view. So by writing a simple lines, MVC will automatically understood which the action is coming from URL. If I am not given this hello world, what you will get there? What you will get there? By default welcome page you will get. Alright. So this is how simply we are adding a razor view to our MVC controller, MVC app, and how we are making a small view accepting using the controller we have seen here. How beauty it is. In the next lecture, we'll see more options on changing of the views and layouts. I'll catch you there. Thank you.